No! What's going on, everybody? So we are out here at we fished here last week basically, and we're gonna move to it. We moved to a different spot. We're fishing like a different part of the marsh here, and we just pulled up here. We just punched a bunch of holes. Dylan and I, we're gonna go set some tip-ups now. The shanty that we put the holes on, funny story, when we got here, I popped the electronics in it real quick, you know, and then threw a little waxy down there, and I caught like a huge bluegill. I've never seen, like, honestly, that was a huge bluegill, like way bigger than my hand, easily. So we set the shanty up there so we can jig there, and then we got some other jigging holes, and we're gonna run a tip-up line this way, and hopefully catch some bass or pike. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and hopefully we get some fish. I've been bit like 100 times over here. These fish just aren't like grabbing it. Let's see what it is. It's a mandatory run, Dylan. You have to run. It's a mandatory run and slide. Holy shit. You can really slide on this, dude.
I skate.
I know. What the hell you need skates for? Oh God. You can almost fall. You're gonna fall over. Is he going?
He's going at least one full time.
Now time to check her. Could it be? Nope. False flag.
Sitting at home by myself. See, but I don't hang out with my friends.
Really? Oh!
It's another big one.
The tank!
Yeah, you're welcome.
Shh. Here's a good one.
Oh. Yum. Can I put him back?
You gotta be careful so you don't spike you. I thought it was. Oh!
And they went nowhere. Just sat there. I don't have gloves on. You don't get your gloves all stinky.
It's okay.
It's a northern.
Look at that. I don't even know if my thing's record. Is it recording? It'll like.
There's a time going.
Yep, that's good. A little pike. Back in the hole, buddy. Check it. Ugh. What happened? Another pike. That one's a little better too. Oh, sheesh. Super slick. Yeah.
And I got to the end and it was just there.
Dang. This hole's a sweet spot right now. He's grabbed 2 of them out of here. Golly.
What? Why? It's not even big enough for a picture.
Down the hole, buddy. Dang. That's crazy. We missed the last catch over here, but we have caught 2 fish, or 2 pike out of here. We came,
5 minutes.
yeah, within like 5 minutes. We came running over from the shanty over there, and then we grabbed it. Dylan set the hook and he missed it, and then we dropped it back down, and we were checking some tip-ups right over here. And while we were doing that, this flag went again, and then we caught a pike, and he's just resetting it, and he caught another pike. Crazy. Dang. Oh God, yeah, it is going really good. You guys seen that? Look at it go. Look at it go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Show him. Got him. No! I just lost him, dude. You got any minnows? Damn it. He was right there. Damn. All right. Well, I guess I can set it on the light side since he ain't gonna be moving. There we go.
Another one.
The bite's heating up right now. You ever seen it's just like duck hunting. Right at the end. Little bluegill. He's just little compared to that big one I caught.
Yeah.
You should have seen a little perky fishing. They're smaller than their size.
Do it? No, come. But it's a mandatory run. You gotta run. Okay, so what you're gonna do is grab it and pick it up real carefully. Pull it out. Now reach your other hand down and grab the line. Now pull the tip up.
Okay.
Now pull up, and when you feel weight, give it a jerk. Now give it a jerk once you feel weight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fish on?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Keep pulling.
Keep pulling.
If you feel any slack, just pull faster because he's coming towards you.
There you go.
Once he gets to the hole, make sure his head.
There you go.
Just yank him out.
There you go.
Pull him out.
There you go. Fish. Good fish.
Hold him in the hole until he flops away.
There we go. Perfect. That's awesome. The furthest one. All right, here we go. It's going. I got him. There we go, some head shakes. No! Dude! Did you see it? Huh? Yeah. No! No! All right, everybody, so today we caught some fish. We actually ended up getting on some pike pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't get every single one on film, and we caught a few good bluegill, but other than that, it wasn't like we had a ton of bluegill, but we got on some pike bite. Now, next weekend, that's gonna be awesome. I think we're gonna come out here next weekend and try to get on the pike really, really well. But yeah, so I know it was kind of a short video for you guys, but hope you enjoyed it, and next week we'll have a better one for you. Hopefully, we'll be out all day. Won't have to worry about anything else. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing hard.